Hello, it's How To Not To, and in today's video I will be cleaning out the filter on the Hotpoint wash machine as requested by Toby S. So thank you for your comments. Please keep suggesting your ideas on what videos I should do next, and I'll do my best to make them. Okay, the wash machine filter, as you can see, needs a good clean. So the first thing to do is remove the filter from the wash machine, of course. I'm going to remove the liquid filter first, and I think the whole filter actually can slot out like this. I don't know, never done it before, but yeah, it does slot out. That's great. So as you can see, the filter has built up with soap grime over time. The best way to prevent this is to clean your filter every 3 months to keep on top of it, which I haven't done. So this is going to be a job getting this nice and clean. Anyway, to clean the filter, I'm going to use this, which is the Alchemy. I think I'm pronouncing that correctly. Alchemy, which is a kitchen cleaner that contains grapefruit seed extract and tea tree oil, which is a very unusual ingredient to have in your kitchen cleaner. It's non-toxic, so more of a natural way to clean your appliances. It's a bit more expensive than your regular kitchen cleaning products, but does the job at removing grime and is safe and environmentally friendly, as you can imagine. So I'm going to spray that in there, and using a damp cloth I'm going to start rubbing off the soap buildup, which comes away easily. For harder areas, I'm going to use this brush to scrub out the remainder of the dirt. So here's a before and after shot, and there's quite a big difference. By cleaning the filter out regularly, it will prevent odours and the build-up of soap grime in the filter. Yeah, should have got in the habit of doing this on a regular basis. You don't realise how quick the soap builds up in there, you know? You know the saying, out of sight, out of mind. So I'm now going to give the removable filters a good clean using a brush, or you can use an old tough brush. Okay, that's it, nice and clean. Didn't take me long to do. I will be doing this on a regular basis from now on to make it much easier on myself. And yeah, okay, that's all done. And I'm now going to pop the filters back in the washing machine. They should easily slot back in with no problems. And now I'm going to do a wash load using this Comfort Intense fabric conditioner. And the one I have here is the luxurious one. It smells absolutely beautiful as well. Can't describe it. So I'm going to pour a bit in there and 2 scoops of surf detergent as well. And I'm going to throw this big throw in there as well. Get this big throw in there. I'm now going to set it to synthetics, which is my most common cycle, as it washes the clothes in less than 2 hours, which is quicker than the other wash cycles. Please let me know what your common wash cycle is in the comments down below. Just want to show you the filter filling up with water. Can't believe how clean this filter is now. I'm so proud of myself. Yeah. Okay, that's it for this video. Please like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit on the notification bell to be notified on more how-to videos. I also do unboxing videos as well, and that's a hint on my next video, which will be coming out next weekend. So look out for that video. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.